The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Spring, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Greater Greens Point, Kingwood, Spring, Bush Intercontinental Airport, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, Northern Atascocita, Lake Houston, and Porter. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.